Google just dropped an update inside AI Studio that changes how websites and landing pages get built, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. We're talking one click and you get a fully redesigned, professional looking page. No designer, no Figma, no hiring anyone. If you've ever built a page that ranked fine but looked rough or made visitors bounce the second they landed on it, this update fixes that problem completely, and I want to break down exactly what just happened. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's talk about the problem first, because this is what makes the update actually matter. If you've ever tried to build a website or a landing page, you know the drill. You get the page ranking, you get it optimized, and then the design itself is weak. The layout's confusing. People land on it and bounce right back out. And once Google sees that bounce, your ranking starts slipping anyway. So you end up stuck choosing between a page that ranks and a page that actually keeps people there. And the reason that's always been the case is because getting both usually meant you needed a designer, a developer, and a bunch of time you probably didn't have. Google just removed that requirement entirely. Here's what they launched. It's called Design Variations, and it's inside Google AI Studio. You take your existing page or interface, and with one click, AI Studio generates multiple polished professional redesigns of it. Different layouts, different visual styles, different overall feels, all built from the same base structure, all in a matter of seconds. You're not sitting there rewriting prompts 20 times, trying to explain what premium or clean or modern is supposed to look like. You just click the button and you're handed a handful of finished options and you pick the one you like best. That's the entire workflow. Now, here's what's interesting about why this actually matters for SEO specifically, not just design. Google doesn't rank pages on keywords alone anymore. It's also looking at user experience, signals like time on page, scroll depth, and click-through rate. A page that looks clean and professional naturally performs better on every one of those metrics. So now you can build a page that satisfies both sides of the equation, the ranking side and the experience side, without needing a design team to pull it off. So let's talk about how you'd actually use this. Say you want to build a landing page for a business or an offer. You'd prompt AI Studio with something like build a landing page that clearly explains what this offer is, who it's for, the main benefits in a clear section, and a strong call to action, and make sure the heading structure is set up properly for SEO. AI Studio builds that page out. Then you hit design variations, and instantly you've got 5 different versions of the same page sitting in front of you. One's minimal and clean, one's bold with heavy contrast. One has a darker, more premium feel, one's bright and built for conversions. And one looks like it belongs to a top-tier software company. You just pick whichever one fits your brand and you're done. What used to take days of back and forth with a designer now takes a few minutes. And because the structure is already clean with proper heading hierarchy from the start, the SEO foundation is basically already built before you even start optimizing anything. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's where it gets even more useful, because this isn't just for single landing pages. One of the highest leverage SEO strategies right now is building what's called a content hub, basically one main pillar page with a bunch of supporting pages underneath it that all link back to the main one. You can now design that entire structure visually inside AI Studio. You prompt it to build out the architecture for a content hub on a specific topic, click Design Variations, and pick the layout that makes the internal linking clearest and easiest to follow. That's a content hub that looks professional and actually signals authority to Google, built in a fraction of the time it used to take. And this is where it gets kind of crazy for local businesses specifically. Think about a business that needs a separate landing page for every service and every location they offer. A dentist needs a page for teeth whitening in one neighborhood, a different page for the same service in another neighborhood, and so on. And each one of those pages technically needs to be unique, well designed, and fast loading if you actually want it to rank and keep people on it. Before this update, building all of those pages at scale, with each one being genuinely unique and well designed, was painful. You were either paying a designer for every single variation or settling for a handful of identical pages with the city name swapped out, which Google doesn't reward anyway. Now, you just prompt AI Studio to build the first location-specific page, including location-specific content, a clear headline, and a call to action. Then run design variations, pick the layout you like best, and replicate that same structure across every location and service combination you need. That's how you build out dozens of genuinely unique local pages in a fraction of the time it used to take. And it's a real shift for anyone trying to dominate local search results. So here's the bigger picture. The reason most people struggle with SEO isn't usually that they don't understand the strategy, it's that execution is just slow. Writing the content takes time. Designing the pages takes time. Getting feedback and going back for revisions takes even more time. Every single step adds days onto a process that should move a lot faster, and most of that time gets eaten up before you even get to the part where you're actually publishing and ranking anything. What this update does is remove one of the biggest bottlenecks in that entire chain, the design step. And when you cut that step down from days to minutes, you can move through way more ideas, more pages, and more tests in the same amount of time it used to take to build just one page. That compounds fast. Because in SEO, the people who can publish more well-built pages in less time are usually the ones who end up pulling ahead. I'll be honest with you, this is the pattern I keep seeing over and over in AI right now. Every few months, something comes out that quietly removes a step that used to require hiring someone or waiting around for a deliverable. And the people who actually go try the tool the same week it drops are the ones who end up ahead, while everyone else is still stuck manually tweaking their layout in Figma, wondering why their page isn't converting. If you build websites, landing pages, or anything SEO related, this is genuinely one of those updates worth going and testing for yourself today, because the gap between people using this and people who don't even know it exists yet is only going to get bigger from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.